everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today I am planning the week of October 5th through the 11th. So let's look at last week. I love how this kit turned out. Oof, I've got so many sticky notes over here. Close. I love how this week turned out. I love the colors. I think this was just a really great kind of segue into my fall colors. Sorry, Masked Singer. Spoiler. Sorry, guys. So this week is busy, but not too busy, if that makes sense. Like, it seems like I've got a lot going on Thursday, but a lot of it is just reminder things, short things that I got to do. Like, it's nothing too crazy. And then this weekend, we are leaving for our little vacation to Galveston, and I am so excited. So the kit I am using this week is kit 165. I believe it is from last fall. I had gotten this in one of my Misfit bags recently, so I decided to order the rest of the full kit because I was like, I mean, look how cute that is. That's such a cute kit. It won't focus, but it is, trust me. See, look how cute that is. So I decided I was going to order the full kit and use it this month, and I'm excited. I love these patterned boxes. These are great. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to do my outline real quick and the weather, and then I will be right back. Okay, so here we go. I need to think of 2 other habits I'd like to track this week. I like splitting up my morning medication and my evening medication. I think I'm going to start doing that from now on, but we'll also see just kind of how this works out. So Monday, I have a one-on-one parent-teacher video conference with Scotty's teacher, just to kind of go over how he's been doing with school and just kind of like a just touching base before before the end of the quarter. Because the end of the quarter ends this week, and then they have fall break after this. So it'll be nice to kind of touch base with her, kind of see where he's at, and see, what I can do to help him with transitioning to in-person learning. And, oh, I'm not writing. So I have that meeting with her, and then I'm going to put Scotty's morning meeting in. He still has that every day this week. Move this stuff out of the way. Okay, so I have all of the morning meetings in. And then Monday, I have to go to the grocery store. And I also need to make a Costco run because my friend Stephanie, who's been taking Juliette for preschool each day, said that the kids are eating her out of house and home on those days because Juliette's going through a phase where she's asking for food constantly, and one of her sons is going through a phase where he's constantly asking for food. So the 2 of them just feed off each other. So all they want to do all day while they're there is eat. And she's like, yeah, so if you could just buy some snacks or something that we could use, that would be great. And I'm like, yeah, dude, of course. So I'm going to pick up some snacks for them at Costco, and then a big sticker. I picked a really big sticker for this. All right, well, okay, we'll move this then. Yeah, so I'm going to pick up some groceries for her at the store too, so that she has some food on hand while she's dealing with the kids. So there's that. And then that's my Monday. I don't have too much going on Monday. I just have a few errands that I have to run. Let's see. So then Tuesday, he has his meeting, and then we have Taekwondo and Little Phoenix. We use these stickers for Taekwondo this week. I'll be honest, I don't like these stickers too much, but we're going to use them. And then he won't be going to Taekwondo on Saturday, since that's when we're leaving. I'm not sure when we're leaving. My father-in-law is going to come watch our dog. He's going to come watch Bo. So we'll probably just leave just any time after he gets there. And then Juliette has her Little Phoenix class here. this last week they had them practicing doing board breaking. We're going to need to work on that with her because he was telling her how to do it, and then she'd go to do it, and she was just kind of like slapping the board. And we were like, oh man, we're going to have to work on that with her, or else she's not going to be able to break her board. But she's little, so it's just kind of hard for her to, kind of figure out. And then let's see, I am uploading a video, so I need to make sure I put this in there. There we go. Okay, so we've got that. We've got Tuesday. So Wednesday, because I don't feel like doing it on Thursday. Wednesday, I'm going to drop all of Scotty's school supplies off at his school. So, it's pretty much any time between 9 and 2. So I'll probably do it in between his live classes that he has. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to transport everything to his school because he's got a ton of supplies and they want us to we'll just be dropping it off at the front door with someone with his name and grade on it. So I kind of just have to figure out where I'm going to drop that off. My poor friend. So we've got our vacation coming up and she's got her vacation coming up, and she loves the month of October. Like, she loves Halloween stuff. And so she was telling me, she's like, I'm running out of days in October to do all of the Halloween crafts that I've been wanting to do. And I'm like, sorry. But she just loves doing fun Halloween crafts with the kids. And, obviously I am all for it. I love that she does that. Okay, so we've got payday this week, and then it is trash day. I'm not going to use a box for that because I'm worried I'm running out of space. Okay, so I have that's my last ultrasound before the transfer this day, and I am so excited. I'm so excited. Yay! This is working. It's finally happening. So this ultrasound is pretty much to check to see if my lining has thickened up. They want it to be above 8 millimeters thick. And so as long as that looks good, I will probably start progesterone on Sunday, maybe Saturday or Sunday, somewhere in there. So I have that ultrasound on Thursday, and then James had to reschedule his dentist appointment, and he told me he needed to reschedule it, and I was like, fine, okay, just reschedule it yourself. I don't want to do it for you and stuff. And then of course I have him do it, and he sets it up for the day I have my ultrasound, and I'm like, okay, I will make sure I'm home in time. Oh my gosh, that's what I get for having him do it himself. And I'm glad he did it himself, and honestly it's fine, but it's still dang it. The one day where I'm busy in the morning is the day that he sets his dentist appointment. That just keeps getting crooked, but we're just gonna leave it be. Okay, so he has his dentist appointment. I'm actually gonna move this over. I am gonna put this down. I didn't think I was, but I am gonna put it down. I like it. There we go. Okay, so he has his dentist appointment there. And then I need to make sure I set my fantasy lineup because I am that girl and I am not ashamed of it. Yeah, although that hasn't been helping with fantasy football this week with so many games being postponed because players are testing positive for COVID. I'm like, well, I'm running out of players to actually put in on my team. I'm not quite sure what to do. Well, it is what it is. Let's see. I think I have this. So this right here is we are having another Zoom meeting for our craft boxes for the church. And that's actually been going really well. It's been going great. I was finally able to talk to them, and they, we told them like, hey, listen, we're getting super overwhelmed with how much stuff we have to do, and they were able to kind of delegate a lot of our stuff for us. And so that's just been awesome to kind of have that taken care of there, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. So yeah, so we have this Zoom call to kind of talk to everyone, just kind of make sure we're all on track and that things are getting done, if there's anything we've forgotten, and making sure they've bought all the things that we need them to buy. And yeah, so yeah, that'll be a good Zoom call. And then that is it for Thursday. And then Friday, I need to pack. Gotta pack. Let's see. So yeah, so I need to make sure I pack for this trip. I will probably also be like making sure I have all of the groceries that I need, since we are going to be staying in an Airbnb. So I want to make sure that I have everything, like that we want to bring with us. So like I really have to plan like, okay, because we're going to someone else's place and they don't have like seasonings and stuff. So I need to make sure, that I bring salt and whatnot. Like that's just kind of a lot that's going to be on my brain. So I'm going to make sure I do that. And then I'm going to film and edit my next video on Friday, because I want to make sure I have everything kind of ready to go, because I don't want to do it while I'm on vacation, because I will be on vacation. And that is not what I want to do. I've been loving using this reusable sticker sheet for when I'm filming. That's been awesome. But I've also just been loving it to store. I've been using it to store all of my Once More with Love stickers. And that's been really nice to kind of have those all in one spot. And it doesn't take up very much space, and I like it. Yeah, I think it was the other day I went through and put all of my stickers in here. I also just got a Once More with Love sticker order, so I just put a bunch of those in here too. So now suddenly like it's a lot more crowded, and I'm like, I have like a ton more pages. I don't know why I'm not using more pages to do this. But yes, I need to pack. I also need to wash our sheets, since my father-in-law is coming and he's going to be staying in our bed. So I need to make sure I have fresh, clean sheets for him, because my sheets, like when I put them in storage, even if it's just for like a couple days, they smell. Like they smell musty and stuff, and it's gross. So I just need to wash those. So I'm just going to wash the sheets that are on our bed anyway, and then wash our spare sheets as well, so that one, I like having clean sheets to sleep on, but also I need clean sheets for him. So there's that. Okay, so that's all for Friday. So then Saturday, we are leaving for Galveston. Yay. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, it'll just be so nice to have vacation. My son is so excited to go to the beach. He's like, are we going to be at the beach on my birthday? And I'm like, well, no, not quite, but close. We'll be there for the days, before your birthday. And then, when you get home, we'll have a cake. And I like to cook, whatever meal my kids want for their birthday dinner. I like to make it. And I'm trying to remember what he wanted for dinner last year, but I honestly cannot remember. I may just have to go and look at my planner and see if maybe I wrote it down there. But I doubt it, because have always been just kind of so wishy-washy with my meal planning. Now that I have a meal planning notebook, it's a lot more organized and all in one place. But before this, I was just doing everything. I had it on everything. So yes, let's see. So I got this sticker for wash bedding. And then I've got this sticker for vacation. And then I'm putting this I'm already tired tomorrow sticker here, because this is just a busy mental day for me. Very busy mental day. And then gotta throw my coffee girl here. Although because I'm on meds, I have switched to decaf. Not that I'm like restricted in my coffee. Like really, they just want me to have less than, what was it, like 250, milligrams of caffeine each day. But I don't know, just for me, I prefer, let's just cut out caffeine altogether. Like I think it'll be better. It's better for my body. It's better for the baby. I don't know, why not? So I know I'm allowed to have coffee, but I just don't want to. And that's okay. Let's see, and I'm trying to think of another sticker to put down here. I think I'll probably put this one down because this one's cute from Once More with Love. I believe it's a freebie I got from one of my orders from her. So I'll put that down there, and I just love all my Once More with Love stickers. They're just kind of fun to add to my week and to just kind of make my week just a little extra. So I think this is it. It feels weird. Like I feel like there's still got to be more that I need to do. But yeah, that's really it. So I'm going to go through and write everything down, and then I will be right back and we will recap, and that'll be it. Hopefully this is just a nice quick video for y'all. All right, I'm going to go write this down. I'll be right back. Okay, here it is. It is all done. And it looks awesome. I love this kit. Like, I'm so glad I got it in my Misfit bag. It is so cute. I love the leaves. I love the colors. I love the little chipmunks here. It is so adorable. So this is what I have left of the kit. Not too much, actually. I'm really glad that she changed her layout of her kits. I just do not use enough check boxes in order for her to like lose this much real estate for them, like I could use one, like if I didn't have this ombre box here, this ombre check box here, I would use one of these for this sidebar, but because I had this, obviously I didn't. So I am glad that she changed it so that she has kind of all the words in the center here and just a bunch of boxes on the sides, because that's mainly what I want. I don't want the decorative stuff. I don't want all of these check boxes. I really didn't need these flags, but I used these flags because I didn't have enough boxes. Although I guess I do have a lot going on this week, so maybe that is partially my fault. I wonder if I had used one of her regular newer kits from this year, I would have still had this problem. But I guess I'll have to count and see. But yeah, so this is my week. I am very excited. This is a busy and exciting week for me. We are doing Scotty's last week of school, so it feels like the final countdown. Like I'm just like, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. I'm stoked. And then we've got this awesome Thursday lined up with my ultrasound, and I have the Zoom meeting for the craft boxes, and then I get to pack, and then we get to leave. And I'm so excited. It'll just be so nice to have a family vacation with just us. So that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I put out Plan With Me's every Monday, so check back in next Monday for next week's Plan With Me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see those videos and hit that bell so that you can be notified when I put new videos up. And that is all for me today, guys. So I hope you all have a wonderful week. Go follow me on Instagram, and I'll keep y'all updated on my ultrasound and how things are going with the surrogacy. And I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.